Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'm gonna just replace the front speaker that's been giving us issues in my wife's Lexus GX. I got my son Elias. He's filming me today. Sorry I've been MIA for so long, but you know how life is. Let's get started. First thing is to take this little piece out. So let me grab a little plastic tool of some sort, and can you see that, buddy? Okay. And it comes out just like that. We have a screw in here, Phillips. Move it like that. I don't feel like getting all my tools out. Those are in just storage, so I'm gonna just use a multi-tool.
A multi-tool?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry, man. Do you have enough room? Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry. No worries, no worries. Oh yeah, plenty of room. We got this one out. The other screw. Take one in here, down here. Yeah. Pop this off. Okay. And then there's another screw right here.
Oh.
Right? We're just gonna take this guy off real quick. Can you see over here? Oh, good job, buddy. You're doing a great job. Just pull this thing out. Okay. I'm just gonna unplug it, press down on the tab, and then pull out the harness, and then you can just set this somewhere safe. And then we have, do you see the screw right here? We have another screw right there. So let's just take that one out. Obviously this is much easier if you have a regular Phillips head, but just working with what I had laying around to film a quick video, which I never get time to do anymore. I was away being silly, getting a master's degree instead of filming YouTube videos. I know. Priorities are messed up, but I graduated now and just happened to land a job that has a lot more responsibility, so YouTube just had to get cut. All right, now we need to go around the whole door with a plastic tool and pop all of these out. You're gonna feel the tabs in there that you need to pop out.
Okay.
Or you can pop them out with the tool, or you can just get your fingers in there and kind of brace and pull it out. That works too. Just the bottom around here and around here, okay? And then basically the top part, this just hooks in, so you just kind of push up and out, and then you can pull it out. You would also need to remove this one too, but mine's kind of loosey-goosey, so it doesn't really. There it goes. Forgot to pull this guy out. So pull this out first, and then I might have to film this, buddy. Okay, so back here, you have to unplug a couple things. These three guys, and then you're gonna take out this mechanism for the handle, and then this little running light. So take this guy out. There's one, there's two, okay, right here, and then three. Okay, so we got these three out. Now what we have is this mechanism over here, and it looks complex, but it's not really. You have these guys, you kind of just pop them out like that. So basically it slots in right here. All you have to do is pop it out, and when you put it back in, you just kind of feed the ball into there, and then you hook it back. Okay, super simple. Out, up, out. This one's the same thing. All right, so we have the door panel out. Now let's take a look right here at the speakers.
What is a speaker?
The speaker. Oh, do you hear that? It's totally blown. Let's try the new one. Here, look. Look at the whole edge has gone out on this original one, and this one is much better. So what we're gonna do is take, well, first of all, we can release this harness plug right here. So we take this one out, right?
But wires can come through electricity.
Yeah, wires conduct electricity, that's right. Okay, so let's undo these screws, and thankfully they have little inserts for Phillips, which is nice, so I can use my little multi-tool. And then there's two under here.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay.
You're getting good at this.
I'm getting good at this, huh? And hopefully some other people who watch this video who are maybe a little nervous about doing this job can watch this and feel a little more confident.
Okay.
Especially if I am doing it with just a multi-tool, huh? All right, so we have all the 4 screws out, and now it should pop out, but I might have to pry it out a little bit. There we go. All right, there it is. This is the old one, and you don't have to do any wiring to replace it. I thought you did, because This new speaker came with a little harness, but I'm just gonna unplug that and plug it in the original location. So just get rid of this. Take this speaker and put it right back into place. And look at that, wouldn't you know it, it fits. And here is the part number for those of you who wanna try this. So before I plug this in, I'm gonna put 1 or 2 of these screws in. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna plug this in.
Oh, big wire. Look at a big wire there.
Yeah.
How did you unplug that big wire?
I love your excitement about that. That's super cool, huh? This just goes like that. Okay, if it doesn't fit one way, it'll fit the other way. There's a slot right here for, okay, there's a slot that you're gonna encounter. And then you just line up the slot here. Just like that. Now let's tighten it up. I am gonna venture to guess that this is gonna perform much better than this. So, there you go. Let's put the door back on now. Let's start with these. So you're gonna find this like grippy surface and match it up with the etched grippy surface on the top. And then you're going to, this goes here. Just hook the ball in and then push it and then grip it right in there. Same thing over here. You're going to push the ball into place. Go ahead and snap this into place. That's good. Now let's plug, okay, look over here. We're just gonna plug these 3 in. Don't forget over here, plug this guy in. Over here. Okay, and the second one here.
I need to go pee.
We'll do that in a little bit. We're almost done, okay?
Okay. See,
I'm just trying to do this in one take. Last one is right here. You feed this one through here. Okay, we took this one out, so we're going to go ahead and hook it over the top, just like we took it out right here.
I need to go pee really bad.
Okay, buddy, let's pause the video. Okay, while my son's away, I got this hooked back in, reinstall this little corner thing, and it's just gonna be a lot more of that once you have it lined up. Mine broke, unfortunately, but you're gonna put this one back in, put the center punch in, but I need to get a replacement because that looks pretty lame. And then you're going to kind of smash around here to get all of those clips back in place. And essentially you're just, see if we can, you're just putting these guys back in, smacking it. There he is. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here, I'll get that.
I got it.
You got it? Good boy. Can't forget about the screw that goes here. Back in place. It's a little bit far away though. Can you get closer?
No, I can just see far away too.
Oh, all right, bud. Fair enough. I guess you can use your imagination that I'm screwing in a screw. So we're just gonna put that one back in. Gonna plug this guy in. And then we got this one. And then to put this one in, you kind of gently hammer it like that.
You forgot to put the plastic thing there.
Should I put it back, you think?
Yeah.
That'll probably be good. This is the plastic thing. You just put it in. This is how the back looks.
Okay.
There it goes. You'll just gotta work it in there. All right. That is how you change out your speakers in your Lexus GX470 with just a multi-tool. Thanks for watching.